Hello, good afternoon. My name is Luis. I collaborate with Spota Home, and now I show you this apartment. This apartment is in the city center of Valencia, close to the train station. And now I show you the hall. This is the hall. And we go into the living room. The living room has a sofa, have a TV. In this part you have a table, it's perfect for it, and you can see the street. This is the balcony. This balcony is perfect for reading a book or something else. Now we go into the kitchen. The kitchen has all necessary, have a fridge, vitro, a sink, have a microwave and dishwasher. Now I show you the first room. The first room has a double bed and the closet. Now I show you the bathroom. The bathroom has a sink and the toilet and the shower. And the last room, the number 2, have a double bed, have a closet, and the balcony. And you can see the street. This is all the apartment. I hope when you come to Valencia, have a nice day. Enjoy. Bye.